Here is how you can turn off the Google microphone on your Android phone. Let me explain that and show you how it could work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so it depends on what you mean specifically, because obviously there is the Google Assistant, which is triggered when you hold down on the home button like that. And you can see that we have the ability to use the microphone or do that, or just ask questions. If you want to stop that, you can of course go inside of your settings app, tap on the apps, and go to the default apps. And you want to make sure that the digital assistant is not set to Google, but you can set it to be something else or none at all. And you can turn off the assistant when, as I said, or as I've shown you, you can hold down on the home button and it's gonna trigger the microphone. So if you don't want that, you can turn it off right here. Outside of that, in the main settings app, part of the security and privacy section, you can manage the app's permissions. And you can find which apps specifically have access to your microphone, meaning that you can get and decide on app by app basis if an app is allowed to use it all the time, even while running in the background or while in use or never, right? In my case, you can see most of the apps are set not allow, but it depends on you. You can click on, for example, the Google related apps and turn it off or on for those. Or as you can see, in my case, I like to have it for some apps like the camera, right? It makes sense if I capture a video, I want the sound to be there. But outside of that, you can as well manage this like that, and yeah, just make sure that it works like this. So I hope it helps. I hope I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.